Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a house tour. So you guys get to see my house. So first off, this is where I hang out and stuff, where my friends and me talk about important things, which never happen. And where's my beautiful plants? Yeah, I like them. So we're gonna go over here. This is where my plants, more of my plants are. So we're gonna go to the living room, and this house still needs a little more decorating, guys. I can tell. So this is where me and my friends like watch TV and plan videos. Well, I don't have friends that do videos anymore. I don't have friends that do videos, guys. I really don't. I'm so sorry, guys. I feel so bad. So guys, we're gonna go to my room, the first room. So here we are, guys. This is the king bed. This is the king bed, and I'm a king, and I'm the king of this castle. So this is where I do my stuff, and I have the 1,000,000,000 visits. And this is where I change. This is where my dirty laundry is. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go do my I have to do the laundry like right now. Boom. Now he's doing the laundry, guys. And guys, this is the laundry room. And it said for Preston. That's not what's in it. It's just supposed to say laundry room. Athlete fights are here again. So we got the dryer. Oh, I thought we were done. Put them in the dryer. Now we wait. Done yet? Are we done yet? Are we done yet? Finally, we're done. So I'm gonna put this where we change. You guys say, why do you have the most biggest doors? I'm gonna start our clothes. This is where all my clothes are. So this is where I work, guys, in my laundry thing, which is now empty. So we're gonna go to the bathroom. So this is where I look at myself in the mirror. Use the toilet, or if the toilet gets clogged by toilet paper or anything. And this is where I brush my teeth and get water and stuff. Take a glass of water. Okay. This is where I shower. This costs 240 bucks. And this gets a little expensive. 1,400. It's like, that's not that expensive. But it is expensive. So this is where the kitchen is. The kitchen is where I cook, and where I chill with my friends, or. So this is the gym area where I work out, punch bags, and lift, and run and walk. Next thing, You in here, man? Hey, what are you doing in my house? I'm gonna say what? This is my friend doing in my house. What are you doing in my house? You could have not. You could have not. You could have ring the doorbell. You could have rang the doorbell. You could have rang the doorbell, but okay. Okay, you can use my shower. Jeez. Oh, that gives me a crease. She scared me, guys. She's scared the things out of me. Jeez. She was scared. Jesus Christ. That scared me. So on the top story. Laundry room, you guys already saw that. This is where my daughter or son's gonna be. And we're gonna call, and their names are gonna be like, this is what they are. They're gonna be the princess or the prince. And then we go to this room, their playroom. I just took the computer out and put it in their room so it looks better, but they have 2 toys to play with. I'm not playing with these. So we're gonna go to the music room, where they play on the instruments and stuff. And also last but not least, the garage, where I drive off. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video off right here. Hope you guys like this house tour. Peace out. And now I have to deal with that person who's in my expensive bathroom.